Morning. Let's talk about something positive, some positive change that you want in your life. Whatever it is, we all set these big goals. We want to change the world. We want to be a better spouse. We want to lose weight. We want to make more money. We all set the goals. We all know what we've got to do, but nobody accomplishes them. Why? There's just these big, hairy, audacious goals, and we can't see the end. What we need to do is break them down into small choices every day. Small choices like you want to live healthier, eat an apple a day. An apple a day reinforces the fact that you're the kind of person who eats healthy. And then you use the compounding effect to add things in. You eat an apple a day and do 5 push-ups. The next thing you know, you're losing weight. That's the way it goes. Add the compounding effect. Small changes create unbelievable results. Remember, you're always in the right place, right time. If you got the right attitude,